aim of our quality project was to improve digital literacy and improve the confidence levels of our staff with technology use. This initiative supports Mercy's ongoing digital transformation. We've created an IT literacy crash course which consists of a series of tutorial-based articles and in-person lessons which provide a great practical learning experience for our staff. So far, 100% of staff who have engaged with the course reported that their confidence levels with IT use and their skills have improved. Increased levels of IT confidence in the organisation will lead to enhanced digital communication, collaboration, innovation and problem-solving skills. Our quality project reflects our shared values of kotahitanga or collaboration as we've built the course based on the needs and feedback of our staff, and hiranga or excellence as the course promotes confident and effective use of our IT systems.